If anyone is doing any kind of marketing, you need to get this book.
This book is a trilogy to his two other books, .com Secrets and Expert Secrets.
And now it's time for Traffic Secrets.
This book is incredible.
If you want to start or grow your online business,
this book covers everything.
It literally inspired me so much.
This stuff is so powerful. The strategy here is so intense.
Finding where your traffic is.
Your dream customer.
Facebook ads, traffic strategies,
Ideal.
Google ads. These are real secrets. Why is he telling us this?
This is how ClickFunnels market.
our business was kind of already on fire.
And it's just like pouring gasoline on the fire.
This is the one thing everybody needs.
You could read just one chapter and change your business.
This book is about evergreen traffic. That's why you want to get this book and study it.
This is basically a recipe for sustainable businesses.
It literally changed the way we do marketing.
It's the most powerful book on how to get traffic ever created.
This book is incredible. I highly recommend it.
Pick it up, buy it right now.
We've learned about being able to build something on our talents and our skills. And we've learned how to build it into something that is attractive to people and gets people to come back. Now we need to be able to find the people, and that's what this whole Traffic Secrets thing is about.
You have .com Secrets and you have Expert Secrets, which is great because it teaches you how to create a message and then how to get people to buy into your message. But how can you actually make people come and hear your message?
I've never understood, how do you dive in and reach people who don't know you? Like, how are you going to reach them? How are you going to get to them?
How can we develop relationships with our customers if we don't see them? How can we serve them if we don't see them?
Everyone thinks traffic is about like the latest little strategy, the latest little hack. It's not.
It's not the new Facebook ad strategy. He's not going to be talking about how to make a mini chat bot.
Traffic is normally something that's very changing. How do you make sure you're protected against that? You understand the underlying principles?
Like when Google shuts you down, when Facebook shuts you down, all the things to drive traffic, how do you do that? There is a smart way to actually gain traffic.
It goes beyond just driving traffic. It's understanding what traffic actually means and how you utilize that traffic.
In internet marketing, everybody tries to make it about the thing, about what you do. It's not about what you do, it's about who you serve.
We're not dealing with inanimate objects, we're dealing with actual people.
It's not that we have a product, it's we have something that's going to solve someone's problem. We're not looking to make money, we're looking to make a difference.
And so when you have that and you can learn how to gear your messaging that really resonates with them.
It's relationship building online.
But being able to apply these simple principles into what we're already doing.
It's truly understanding that if you get the mindset of it, no matter what changes out there in the world, you're still going to be able to build your business.
It's like it's an evergreen skill. If you master that, you can apply it to anything.
Beyond the tactics, an underlying strategy that applies to everything.
If you learn this thing, and you've got a skill for life.